Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see how to crochet cute 6-petal flower. This is easy to make project, so you don't need special skills, you just need to know basic stitches. For work I will use 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of wool yarn. In your case it could be cotton yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain of 6 for the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Make 12 single crochet. Make a chain. Make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am done 12 single crochet stitches. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet the next round. It is going to be a round of petals. For the next round, make a chain. I will not use it. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make single crochet. Continue, make a chain, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make double crochet. Then make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook around the stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, so I am making treble crochet, not finish. I need to do 7 treble crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm done 7 treble crochet, not finish. Here what I have at this point. Then yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on the hook. Pull it. Continue. Make a chain and pull it. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet. So my cute petal with volume is ready. I'm making this petal in 3D style. Let's crochet the next one. In total it should be 6 of them. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. Make double crochet. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet not finished 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain, pull it. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet. My second petal is ready. It is very simple and beautiful at the same time. It is very easy to make, so it could be perfect for beginners. In total it should be 6 of them. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm done all 6 petals. Here what I have at this point. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Make a slip stitch, pull it to secure the yarn by making a chain. I already cut off my yarn and I pull it. So my flower is ready. Turn the work. Let's look at the back side. I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work using the sewing needle or crochet hook. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. My flower consists of 6 petals. Each petal made of 7 unfinished treble crochet stitches. For this project you just need to know how to work with single crochet, chains, treble crochet and slip stitches. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this flower. It could be perfect for a hat or another big project. You can add it like a decoration, or it could be part of big projects such as Irish or guipure laces. If you don't know how to work with basic stitches, please visit my YouTube channel and find tutorials for beginners. For example, I have done exact flower but using cotton yarn. Here how they look like. All information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!